freesia when we're using them, think about the element of lime. It's probably their most dominant feature, apart from their beautiful peppery smell, which many florists say should be an element, is smell. So, but it's not. So what we mostly think about is the element of lime with this flower. And so being that, and we want everything to be flowing outward, then we need to keep that in mind, that the tips of them need to be all flowing in the one direction, and most commonly the outward flow. The other ways that you could have them is this way, going in on that angle, so that you get that flow all the way around. And so that would mean that each freesia used would have to go in that same direction.